today we are going to see our next chapter, that is computers. So what is basically computers and what they do, what humans can't do and what computers can do, we are going to see in this chapter. You have learned the mathematical operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You can do sums which involve any one or more of these operations. Okay. In mathematics, we have seen addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We can do sums or involve any one or more of these operations. Okay. We can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division by our hand. You may also solve complicated sums which involve all of these operations. Some kinds of sums are having all of these operations, means they are having additions also, subtractions also, multiplication, division, all of them in one sum. You can calculate the answers quickly if you use tables. Okay, if you have learned tables, if you know tables, you can solve these kinds of sum easily. But sometimes it is necessary to carry out very complicated calculations that involve very large numbers. Okay, sometimes it becomes complicated because it is having large numbers. Okay, very large numbers. At such times mistakes are bound to occur in the calculations. Mistakes are there if we are calculating a very large number, so mistakes will occur. Then you waste a lot of time in thinking and checking what is it is whether a right answer or wrong, checking and rechecking your answer. How can we avoid these errors and wastage of time? So for that, a computer is a machine that is an answer to all of these problems. With the help of the computer, we can avoid these kinds of error and wastage of time. Computer can solve the problems and carry out the most difficult calculation with amazing speed and accuracy. Amazing speed means of most fastest speed, we can say, as compared to humans, and accuracy also. Computers can do several other things beside carrying calculation. In fact, there are few things that a modern computer is not able to do. Computers can serve several other things, can do several other things carrying out the calculation. सिर्फ calculation नहीं, computer और भी सारी चीज़ें कर सकता है. In fact, वो ऐसी अमेजिंग थिंग्स कर सकता है जो एक मॉडर्न कंप्यूटर इज नॉट एबल टू डू. और कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी भी है कि वो कुछ चीज़ें मॉडर्न कंप्यूटर नहीं कर सकता. इज computers have memory, that is they can store a lot of data or information. Okay, they can store a lot of data and information within them. They can keep words, pictures and sounds in their memory, give you information within a fraction of a second when you need it. Okay, within a very small time you will get the information which you want. Computers can process the data or the information according to the instructions given to them. Okay, they work on the instruction given to them or command given to them. A modern computer can follow thousands of instructions within a fraction of second. Means if we are searching for something, for like videos in one tab, and if we open another tab and we are searching for other photos, or we are playing games, so within a fraction of the second we can open very so many tabs, and the computers can follow an instruction in a fraction of second, within no time, we can say. Only the instructions have to be given in a language that computer understands. Okay, A set of code instructions written for computer is known as a program. Okay, the instructions which we are giving to a computer and which computer understand is known as a program. Writing a computer program is a specialized task. Okay, and writing a computer program is a specialized task, everyone can't do it. For making a computer program, one should know the computer languages. A computer on its own does not make judgments about the instructions given to it. Okay, they are non-living things. Okay, that is the thing. So it can't make the judgment on any kind of instruction that this instruction is wrong, or we can say this is it is not moral. They can't judge it. It follows the instructions blindly. Okay, that is why the instructions have to be written very very carefully. If we are mistaken, that is our mistake. Computer is not going to judge your instructions, so we should be careful while instructing the computer while writing our instructions. Instruction must cover every step involved in an operation. If you miss a step, the computer will not correct it. Okay, that is your mistake. You have to be careful. One has to think carefully to imagine every step involved in any task. Let us see if we can imagine all the steps involved in a simple task. Suppose mother has asked you to buy vegetables. You have to divide the task into smaller ones. Okay, this is a task that we are mothers. Our mother said to go to the market and buy vegetables. So what we will do? Going to the green grocery shop. Okay, going to the green grocery shop will be your first step. Picking up the vegetable you want and paying for them will be your second step. Coming back home, this will be your third step. Then you have to subdivide this task into still smaller ones. For example, going to the green grocery shop, take a bag for the vegetables, take money for the vegetables, we can say. Then start from your home, walk down the street, turn right or left wherever the vegetable shop is there, green grocery shop is there. Walk down the street. Again, the next street will come if that we are taking left or right. Cross the street, enter the green grocery shop. So this will be subdivided into the smaller task also. Each of these smaller tasks can again be divided further into even smaller tasks. Try to do that choosing any one of the above steps. For example, we are taking right or left. What if there is another street and again we have to take left or right? So we have to add one more step in this subdivided steps. Okay, again we will take one more example. We have to here it is written start from your house. Okay, within that, if green grocery shop, it is from the opposite side of your house. So what we will do, we will go to the another side, opposite side, and we will start from there. Okay, so there you can also mention that we have to take a turn overall from our house and then we have to start. Then if the green grocery shop is not going to be open on the particular day in a week, so we can write also that we are going to generally we are going to this shop, but we are now on this day this shop is not open, so we will go to another shop. Thus we that computers are smaller than men, but it is men who do the difficult job of making the smart enough. Okay, computers are smart, everyone knows, but who makes it smart? Men only. Okay, the human being. So the next time you play a game on a computer or watch a video or obtain some information, think of the men who put in so many efforts to make it all possible. What you're doing, you are just starting the program or starting the system computer and then playing a game or watching a video. But for making that possible, a man who has taken so many efforts to make that possible. So this was the chapter computers, and I'm going to send you a picture along with this video, and you have to answer those questions and then you have to write the question answers. So do complete your homework. Thank you.